today's coaching thought is short and sweet. We have to remember that what we tell teachers we are going to do, we have to do it. If you tell someone you're going to do something by a certain date, you have to deliver that thing. In the coaching world, it is essential that we under-promise and over-deliver. And maybe you don't want to under-promise, maybe you just want to make a promise. But whenever we promise teachers that we will do something and we don't do it, we are breaking trust with them. And you know that trust is essential in the work that we do with teachers. So again, keep your word. If you promise you're going to do something, do it. Make sure that you do it by the deadline. No matter what it costs you, you've got to get it done. And it's okay to over-deliver, to give teachers more than they asked for. That's fine. But make sure that you are staying true to your word, keeping that trust with teachers, and just always doing what you say you are going to do.